natin, girls.
From California!
Hello, ayan na sila.
Sabi!
Uy, work time.
Saya-saya rin.
Alam mo ngayon kasi, Christmas season, yung ating mga kababayan sa buong mundo, lahat ng ating mga TFC subscribers. Hello, bumati naman kayo. Ayun, direct, ayun si Mahal. Mahal, ayun say hello. Ayun camera mo. Hello, yan. Ganda-ganda din, Mahal. Si Mahal na Virgin. At ito naman po eto si Mura, bati ka. Si Mura, this coming summer, conference na siya. Okay?
At
si
syempre,
Dagu.
ang binatang Dagu.
Tato and Bento. Ang ating kasama. Mga kaibigan, tabi-tabi po. Magkano ang pot money natin for today?
10,000 ang ating pot money. At syempre, ang constellation natin, meron tayong BNY shirt, Minami wall clock, hawk bag, at saka 2 tickets para sa Third World Christmas Bazaar.
Okay, explain lang po natin ang ating gagawin. Mechanics natin. Importante ito. Para to get the 10,000 cash, meron po kayong tatlong, yung ating, kumbaga, bitag, eka nga. Pero don't worry, you have 1 minute. At ang importante po, pag nandun na kayo sa bitag na yan, nakatayo kayo, dahan-dahan nyo nga hawakan yung tali para hilahin. At pag nakuha nyo, pwedeng may slime dyan, kung ano-ano po mga nakabitag dyan. Ang importante, to get the 10,000 cash.
Yeah!
That's right.
Next contestant, we have Mark. Oh, Mark, how are you doing? Hi, Mark. How are you doing?
Mark.
Hi, Mark. How are you doing? Mark?
Parang dyan, batiin mo naman si Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Okay.
How are you, man?
All right,
Where are you from?
San Francisco.
About
Yeah, I lived there for a while. Near Belmonte.
No. America.
America.
Francisco, America.
Oh, I thought Belmonte.
Mark Marino from San Francisco. Okay, Mike, welcome to MTV. Are you having a nice time your vacation here in the country?
Yeah.
So who's with you guys?
My family. There's my mom.
Hi.
That's your mom. That's your
Oh, that's
sister.
your mom. Sister, and then that's the one who's wearing...
Your mom is in white?
No, that's
Okay.
Are you gonna spend?
The dad is in pink.
Are you gonna spend Christmas here, Mark?
yeah. Till New Year's.
Till New Year's. Okay, that's good.
All right.
This is your navigator. Who's she? I don't know. Boom! Ayan ang basahin mo.
So much to work on!
Boom! Go here!
Okay, blindfold.
Give a kiss to Marky.
Blindfold
Mark.
muna.
Why don't you kiss? Why don't you kiss Boom? It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
Ka dyan, ah.
It's okay. Yeah. Come on. It's okay. Just for fun, man.
Why not? Go!
Just on the cheek. Just beso.
Hey, looks like you're nandidiri, ha?
Oh,
Hindi malagalit.
Bad!
bakit ka pumipikit?
Kasi pinifeel ko eh. Nice. Ba't alam mo na yan?
Ikaw, bata ka pala, showbiz ka, no?
Okay, Mark, good
Okay.
luck for 10,000 pesos. Tabi-tabi po, go!
Straight. Right. Straight.
Mahal,
Left.
Mahal,
Straight.
pasok.
Right. Straight.
Pasok,
Straight. Right. Backwards.
Okay. Mark, wait.
Hold it.
Try it.
Hold it, and then
Hold
good luck.
it, hold it.
And, wait, okay?
Ready? So much, go!
Go! Go! Okay lang, go! Hold it! Not yet.
Hold it.
Okay, hold it again.
Hila.
Go!
Let's go!
You get a 10,000. Okay, tabi-tabi po. Congratulations, Mark. Okay, next we have is...
Wow, that's a lot of money.
That's $200, man. What's up?